introduce our factory. Behind me is our accessory zone, and here on my left hand is our semi-finished product zone. And after that, here this part is our finished product zone. And after our engineer test the machine will send to different countries of our customers. Hello, I'm Dana from Machinery. Here let me introduce you our labeling machine. The labeling machine is what is the machine to label like this one on the object, on the products. And our labeling machine have automatic labeling machine and semi-automatic labeling machine. Behind me is our automatic labeling machine. First, for example, put your box here on the conveyor, and then you can go on the conveyor like this one, and then you can label you can stick the label on the box. And here on this part is the frequency changer. It can adjust the speed of the conveyor. Then and this machine can not only use like this one, it can also connect with a production line. This is what our customer like this machine. And also, if your object is like this one, the round shape, we also have the round shape labeling machine. Can stick the label on the bottle. If you have interest in this one, you can send us in first. If you have interest in this machine, you can just tell us what's the size of your object, and then we can customize the machine to you. Besides, this part of the machine can adjust the height. For example, this one can adjust the height of the machine. So that's all. Thank you. Behind me is our semi-automatic labeling machine. If your budget is not too much, you can buy this one. Thanks. Hi guys, this is Dana again. I just introduced you guys about the labeling machine. And here is another model of the labeling machine. It's for the bottle, like this one. And here, and the conveyor, and then push the bottom right here, and this part is then labeling. And the same as the last machine, we have a control panel here. This part is adjust the speed of the conveyor. And if you have interest in this machine, then you can tell us about the size of the bottle, the size of your label. Then we can send our professional sales manager will tell you which model is suitable.